On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login error easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then go to the Instagram app. Now this is the app informations page. First thing you wanna do here is click on the force stop option and then click on the storage, click on clear cache and also click on clear data like this, click on delete. Even though that you will lose the files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Go back, click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions right here are enabled. Now last thing you want to do is just reopen Instagram and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.